Warfare isn't just about soldiers and tanks anymore. It's about cutting-edge technology, machines that can think, weapons that move faster than sound, and drones that attack in swarms. In 2025, these futuristic innovations are set to redefine how wars are fought. Here are 5 of the most insane military technologies rolling out right now. Number 5. Augmented reality battle systems. Imagine you're on the battlefield, but instead of looking down at a map or a screen, everything you need, enemy positions, real-time drone footage, even medical alerts, appears right in front of your eyes. This isn't sci-fi, it's already happening. Augmented reality (AR) systems are being built into military helmets, giving soldiers an instant tactical advantage without ever looking away from the fight. Some of these AR systems even allow soldiers to see through walls using thermal imaging. Talk about having an edge. Number 4. Swarm drones. One drone is dangerous. 1,000 drones working together? Almost unstoppable. Militaries worldwide are investing in swarm drone technology, where hundreds, sometimes thousands, of AI-controlled drones fly in formation, overwhelming enemy defenses. These drones can scout, jam radars, and even launch coordinated attacks. And the wildest part? Some can be 3D printed right on the battlefield, making them nearly unlimited in supply. Number 3. Hypersonic missiles. We've all heard of missiles, but hypersonic missiles? These things travel at over 3,800 miles per hour, which means they're almost impossible to intercept. To put it in perspective, a missile like this could reach anywhere in the world in under an hour. The US, China, and Russia are racing to perfect this technology, and whoever dominates it could control the future of global warfare. Some hypersonic missiles even have nuclear capabilities, making them one of the most terrifying weapons ever created. Number 2. Combat robots. Robotic soldiers might sound like something out of Terminator, but they're already here. AI-powered machines are now being deployed for surveillance, bomb disposal, and even carrying supplies in combat zones. Some of these robots are built to move like animals. Think robotic dogs patrolling military bases or spider-like machines that can climb walls. And while they aren't replacing human soldiers just yet, they're getting smarter, more mobile, and more dangerous every year. Number 1. AI-powered autonomous weapons. Here's where things get a little unsettling. AI-powered weapons are now capable of making battlefield decisions with minimal human input. Imagine a sniper rifle that identifies and eliminates targets on its own, or a self-piloting submarine that can hunt enemy ships without human control. Some military experts worry this could change warfare forever, leading to a world where machines, not humans, make life or death decisions. It's a whole new era of war, and it's happening right now. So, which of these military tech innovations do you think is the most game-changing? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane military facts.